Okay, a very quick overview of the Time On interface, which is an extension to our existing solution that brings all the information that we capture. The data sources include print, copy, scan, telephone. We can do courier entries through that receptionists can do that can be attributed to individual users. So really we're capturing a comprehensive list of activities that are being completed throughout the day, and then presenting them back to the users with as much information as possible, or with just really the information that is essential for a time entry presented back to the users. So the concept is that they would probably have this up on one screen, have their timesheet up on another screen, and then they can go and look through the day in a chronological order. You can see here you can actually traverse through different days of the week. So if you're not doing a timesheet for today, you wanted to have a look at Tuesday, you could click on Tuesday and go back to Tuesday. You can scroll back and forth through the months. So it can also be a reporting tool to see what activities were done at certain times. If someone questioned you, did you actually make a telephone call to me on this certain day? Well, we can see at 10 o'clock in the morning, there was a telephone call to this destination, this mobile phone in Australia. So concept here is a report that chronologically filtered. It gives a duration. So for telephone calls, we know the duration that we pull out of the telephone call. For prints, we're defaulting it to the minimum of 6 minutes. The description is based on, for telephone calls, we're using the mobile number and some information we can build around what that telephone number is. So this knows that it's a mobile and it's Australia. For emails, it'll show the subject line. For print jobs, it'll show the file name of the document printed. For copies and scans will show the file name. For copies, it will just show the number of pages that have been photocopied and whether it was black and white, and so on. Where we have matter information, we will present it. Not all transactions or activities may have matters assigned to them when you're looking at this, or it may be that we don't actually prompt for matter entry for telephone calls. So you might just get that there was a telephone call made and this telephone number, but that should be enough that it actually triggers a person to look at their timesheet and think, well, actually, I've got a gap there at 10 o'clock on Wednesday, so therefore I need to work out what this telephone call was about, particularly if the duration is large, such as telephone calls could well be an hour of information. So look, that's just a very quick overview of the interface and how the information is presented. We will be looking at integrating this further into the practice management system, so we can take the activities and push them directly in as timesheet entries. There's a lot more information here around, you can actually manage your cost transactions and actually do some cost recovery within this as well. But this is just an overview of the Time On interface and how that works. So thanks for watching.